This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. The air filter element is located inside the air filter housing, which is mounted in the left front corner of the engine compartment. Detach the wiring harness retaining clips from the housing cover. Remove the cover mounting screws. Separate the housing halves and lift the filter out. Wipe or vacuum out the inside of the air filter housing. Place the new air filter element in the air filter housing. Make sure it seats correctly. Position the cover onto the housing. Tighten the mounting screws securely. Secure the wiring harness into the clips on the housing cover.